Hi friends, this video shows how to lock app. In this video, I am going to lock this Facebook app. So let me tap on this Facebook app. See, right now I can open this Facebook app. Let me close this. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then go down. Tap on security and privacy. Go down. Tap on app lock. Then enable app lock. Tap here. Tap on settings. So we need to set privacy password. Tap on settings. So here we can set privacy password. Let me change password type. Let me set 4 digits. Then I am going to set privacy password here. Please try to set a strong password. Here tap on recovery email. So let me enter email ID. Then tap on confirm. Now recovery password is ready. Here you can see list of apps. From this list we need to select the app that we need to lock. So I want to lock Facebook. Let me select Facebook and enable. Done. So now I have locked Facebook app. Let me test it. Close this. Then try to open this Facebook app. See, it's asking for the privacy password. I need to enter privacy password. Then only I can open Facebook app. So this way we can lock app. Next I will show you how we can remove this app lock. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Go to security and privacy. Go down. Tap on app lock. Enter privacy password. From this list we can select Facebook and disable. Done. Then close this. Then let me try to open Facebook. See, it's not asking for the password. So this way we can lock app. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.